It's new gun day.
Holy moly.
I've got the Winchester SX4. I'm gonna go shoot it and I'll talk about my first impressions. What's up guys, it's new gun day. I've got the Winchester SX4. We're gonna shoot a few rounds with it, but I wanna take a quick look at it before I take the first shots. So this is the Winchester SX4 Field. It is left-handed. Some of you may have noticed I've been shooting a right-handed gun, so this will be nice. I've been shooting a 20 gauge Remington 1100 with an improved cylinder barrel that is fixed. So this is my first modern gun that I can actually change the choke tubes out on, which is probably what I'm most excited about. It uses the Invector Plus system, so I got this Winchester Invector Plus extended cylinder choke tube, which I'm hoping will be better for shooting skeet since I've gotten used to improved cylinder. It uses the active valve gas system, so I'm excited to feel the lack of recoil on this thing. It's supposed to be super fast. It's surprisingly light for how big it is. It's got a 28-inch barrel, walnut stock and forend. I'm excited to see how I do with it. I'm gonna go shoot it and we'll come back and I'll talk about my first impressions. All right.
Oh. 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 Seems to work. Oh. 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 I hit them both in one shot.
Oh.
Or did the other one not come?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I hit them both in one shot. Holy moly. Let's shoot another one just in case. I'll look back and see if I actually hit it or not. Oh. 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 Oh.
Dang it.
Oh. Oh, I should have done my option. Whoops. Oh.
Dang it.
Don't know why I never get that one. Oh. Oh. I think I shot in front of that. Dang it. Oh. 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 Did I miss both of those? Dang it. Oh. 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 Dang it. How did I miss that? What on earth? I never missed that. This is gonna be the real test. I'm not used to swinging this thing yet. Oh. Oh. What we got? 19, oh my gosh. One short of 20. Thank you, man, I appreciate your help.
All right, we're back. So the Winchester SX4, first impressions, I absolutely love it so far. I shot really well with it, feels amazing. I shot 2 skeet and 1 trap, so those will be coming out soon. I shot better than I've shot in a long time, so this was a huge improvement. This cylinder choke also really helped on skeet. I could feel the difference for sure. It was so much more forgiving than improved cylinder is for me. The recoil felt amazing. The gas system is definitely doing what it's supposed to do. This recoil pad felt really good. The only thing I can complain about, started eating away at my finger here from this trigger. I'm not used to this length of pull. I'm used to the little Remington 20 gauge I've been using, so my finger rests on it weird, but I will get used to that. But yeah, feels great, mounts really well, fits me really well. It feels really nice. I'll do a much more in-depth review after I spent some more time with it. Maybe after a year of shooting it or so, we'll dive really deep into it if you guys want to see that. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next rounds that I post from today and all future rounds. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.